M0FXP Hamtech, welcome to my videos on the Zastone D9000 dual band 50 watt transceiver that also receives airband 27 megs, can do cross mode, dual receive simultaneous, change color screens, and has two independently controlled VFOs. It's great fun, lovely little set. You can see the base unit here, the head unit, and you've got a backlit microphone which controls many of the functions just by pressing function, then a number, and you've got the band button there as well. Nice up and down button here, PTT. It's a really nice device. So this video is just to show you about the head mounting options. Remember that the head unit actually has two speakers built into it. Yes, two. So that means that when you move this unit to the front, and we're going to take off that magnetic mount, you've got speakers with you and microphone, and that's fantastic. And they even make a Bluetooth microphone. You add the module inside this radio, and you've got this, but with no wires. Okay, that's, in my opinion, is excellent. So we're talking about mounting options here. This device comes pre-fitted with these two circles here, and they are designed to connect to either a magnetic stand that comes with this device or the front here. See these these circles here, which is going to come down. I'll raise that up. Now you do have a car mounting bracket, a good one as well, so that's going to raise it up anyway. The speaker's actually on top, but you could mount this either way around, I think. But anyway, let's just raise it up a bit. Just put this under there for now, so that we can now put our unit on the front. So you push the cable through. Now it looks to me like a normal RJ45. It comes with a 5-meter cable, but also a very short, one that's about, I don't know, 10 centimeters if I can find it somewhere. So let's just grab the unit and put it on the front. So one position is there, which is very nice because it's raised up from the ground, and when you've got the mobile mounting bracket on, that's perfect. Some people prefer it next one down, okay? Next couple of holes down, okay, which actually brings it level, I would say, level with the top. Yeah, so just wiggle a bit with the wires, and you get the idea. It brings it, if I just up, speaker there, so like, level. I think I prefer it the other way, but this is the nice thing about the choices you have, and there are even selections for the speaker. You can select the front speakers, the back speaker, all of them. It's all in the menu. If I try and remember, we just go, when you have nothing along the bottom, you press function like so, and let's have a look here. Menu, go into set mode, and then I'm sure if you go down or up, there's a speaker selection. It's not in audio settings. There it is there, speaker select, and I've selected both. Press the button, either one, and you can turn. Look, mode 1, mode 2, and both. So 1 is either the back or the front, and probably the back. 2 is the front, and then I leave it on both. And if you go back one, there are audio settings. If you go to sounds, but this is more key touch beep, which I like. The beep level sound when you're pushing buttons. Subband, you can mute it, and subband beep. Okay. The other one, nice one to remember, is the single screen. So you see, you got single here, where after you've pressed function, you just go, look at that, single. And in single, remember this one, in single screen, when you press function, then VFO, look what happens. You get the weather channels, press it again, airband, press again, your favorite radio station, press again, you actually get 21 megahertz, and it goes up. Let's try 27. There you are, and it goes up higher. It goes up to 28 and 29. I think let's try 30. And I'm doing this with the microphone. I should show you, really, shouldn't I? So look, 30. It's just brilliant, isn't it? So in England, what's that popular AM? Is it 27555? Look at that. Let's put an antenna, an HF antenna on there. Now I've put it on the SO239 because you've got two antennas at the back. On this side, normal SO239 50 ohm. On the left side, you've got a BNC, so you might need to put that on when you're using shortwave AM. Let's just do the squelch. You press squelch, you saw that on the screen, didn't you? It was too fast for you. Function, squelch, then you can lower it, as you can see, turn it up. Well, there is actually something there, isn't there? Let's come out of that. So let's do, what I'll do, I'll check it on my actual HF set and see what we're actually hearing there. Function to come out, and then you can just out of interest, if I take that off the antenna completely, see it's gone quiet, and then I'm going to try it on the BNC on the other side and just see if it does start to use it. So there's the BNC HF antenna going in, and as far as I can see, it hasn't made a difference. That's on there. Let's unscrew it. There may be a selector in there, I'm not really sure. It could be for the broadcast radio, but look, as soon as you plug it into the other one, you know, you're hearing some activity. So I've got this Malahet DSP2, which I absolutely love. I use it more like a scanner now, although it's just fantastic. It covers every band you can think of. But anyway, let's make sure we're on the right antenna. It says 50 ohm antenna, which is that one. Just to go up a bit more. 50 ohm, long wire there. So not really hearing much anyway. But let's just see if we can hear anything, and then we'll test it on here. That looks like what do you call it, FT8, isn't it? So if let's see if we can get that. So we're going to go down, change the step, and see if I can get FT8 7.4, do you reckon? They are. Push for volume, and then right, 7.4, and I know it's AM, but let's just see if we get it. 2884. So you just need to go down quite a bit. I won't make you wait for that. Actually, it's up. Just having a bit of fun at the end here. Do you push it to get quicker steps? Yay! No, we still got a long way to go. It's easier to use the mic, isn't it? 2807.4. Okay, let's turn that up. And it's there. That is, you know, so that means this is definitely working. That means the problem is I can't see how you can select FM, and obviously if you had 28 megs, 27 megs, 28, especially 28, you're going to be able to get 10 meter repeater, but you need FM, so that's the key. So we've got some signals here. Let's just see what they are just over here. So yeah, we're not really getting much. It's such a shame we can't do FM. Of course we can't do sideband unless someone knows how to. Just go menu, and then you've got mode here. So as soon as I press mode, it comes out of, you know, the AM. Obviously you've got AM for airband, that works. Broadcast, if we could just get out of that into mode, function. No, it's just not going to happen, is it? Function, menu. Let's just have a quick look at the settings. Can't see anything in the big menu. Set mode. Start at the top. Cool. You can see the top by the slider here. Timer, power, speaker, fan, squelch, auto, repeater, cross mode, beat, tone, VHF band, AIP, UHF. What's that mean? VFO tracking mic, airband step. I've seen that. FM transmitter off. What's that mean? FM transmitter frequency. Is that the radio? I think that's the radio. Weather alert and reset. So I can't see that you can do that. But anyway, this video was really more about the head unit and the choices. So sorry I got sidetracked, but you can go on the front there, and then the other thing you can do, you've got this stand that comes with it. Of course you can screw it to the wall, you know, you can do what you like, but they do give you these sticky pads with it. So you would just take the head unit off, magnetize it there like so, position it where you want. You don't have to be with the head unit, and the short lead that comes with it, there it is, there is, look, this long, which is, if you ask me, it's too short, but I mean it looks to me like a normal short RJ45. It's not the 6-pin, it looks more like 8-pin to me. So I've got loads of them lying around. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. I really like this set. I just think, you know, for what it costs, a couple of £100, you get a lot. You can do quite a lot with it, and it's a lovely, lovely microphone to use. I've used it on HubNet just now. Had a good old chat with people. You've got these LEDs, look, that go red when you're TXing green. There's 2 of them. You've got the LEDs on the front here as well. Here and here for when you're receiving. Go back to dual receive. And that's receiving that on my wire. I wonder if we get that on my wire here. Look at this. Let's try it.
Yeah, okay, yeah. I think it's here.
It's not even a collinear antenna. 145 600. Let's turn this one down. Turn this one up. We need FM mode. It wants the proper antenna, but that's okay. I just stick a 2-meter antenna on there and it's going to work. There you are. These are about 260, but I'll tell you now, well, less actually, they're about 230. Be the best £230 you ever spent. VHF, UHF, airband, marine band, HF on it is amazing. So we'll listen, and then we'll end the video.
To the G5RB at about 8 metres. Not very strong, unfortunately. 3,004, and that's probably why there's been too much having problems with it. But there's no QSB around as well on the signals this afternoon, so it's just not making it that easy. But I'll pass it back over to you for final. I'm going to work 1 or 2 more and then get the pull the plug over on. So back over to you, Mike Zero Lima X-Ray Yankee, Golf Bravo 4 Kilo Whiskey.
And that's without the preamp on.
And go again.
We're leaving out the poor Zastone is being left out.
Is that correct?
Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, 7free.